Hey friends, it's Sejal and welcome to my channel. Today let's make healthy triple berry protein smoothie. So let's begin. To prepare it, I took around 1 cup strawberries, half cup blueberries and half cup raspberries. I kept 2-3 pieces of each aside so I can use them later to top the smoothie. I use them frozen to get thick consistency. If you are using them fresh, add half cup ice cubes. Now taking cup of this high protein vanilla shake, you can use yogurt and 1 tablespoon protein powder in place of protein shake. Blended them in a blender and poured in a glass. Then topped it with kept aside pieces of fruits. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy and smoothie is ready in 2 minutes. Enjoy it. Have a wonderful day ahead and see you in the next video. Till the time, bye bye and take care.